Hello dear students, so this is again a next video for 7th class students, the mathematics one, and again the chapter 1, that is integer. So we will move ahead in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture I have told you about how to add the integers you are knowing now, you know, 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3. So these all are coming under the integers. So how you are adding certain rules regarding the addition of the integers I have told you. And then after we discussed about how to divide the integers, and there were also some rules related to that. This we have discussed. Now we will combine all addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This complete we will combine here in one question. We will complete this. Okay, means in one question there will be included addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All will be included in one question. If this is so, then how will you do? Okay, let me write a question. Let's say the question is this: 7 multiply -8 plus 5 minus 7, okay, plus 8 divided by -4. Let's say this is the question. Here you can see everything. Here you can see division also, here you can see multiplication also, addition also and subtraction also. Everything you can see here. So how will you solve these sort of questions? So see, if there are division symbols of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, everything is coming there under one question. So these sort of question, there is a formula for doing such questions. Okay, and the formula is, you will use there the DMAS rule. DMAS rule. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So means if these all the things are coming there in one question, so first you will divide, then you will multiply, then you will add, then after you will subtract at last. Okay, so this is a sequence. So this sequence we will apply in this question now. So first we will divide. So where is the symbol of division? It is here. Rest of the question you will write as it is. Means 7 multiply -8 as it is, plus 5 minus 7 as it is. Okay, now these two are going to divide each other. When this 4 will divide 8, so it will come 2. Sure? Yes, it will come 2. When this 4 will divide 8, 4 2 ja 8, 2 times going, na? So 2 will come. So what will be the symbol? This -1 dividing the +1. I have told you in the previous lecture, if it is like this, 8 by -4, it is same like this, 8 by -4. Sign of 8 is plus, sign of 4 is minus. So when denominator is negative, then answer will also be negative. So it would be -2. Getting this? Good. Now in the sequence, the next one is multiplication. Division we have done. Now the multiplication. Multiplication is here. 7 8 ja, it is coming 56. What will be the sign? I have told in the previous lecture. If this is so, when positive and negative integers are multiplying each other, then sign is also of the negative integer. Okay, so it will be -56. Getting this? Now rest of the question as it is, means +5 as it is you have to write, -7 as it is, and -2 as it is. Okay dear, now this we have done. Now addition and subtraction, this we will do together. Addition and subtraction, this will do together. Now you can see here, minus plus, this you are knowing. In the previous class you have studied this. Okay, you have been told this, how to add and how to subtract the integers. Now look here, minus plus. So when this is, if this is so, when negative and positive signs are there, they are going to be subtracted and the sign will be of the greater one. Remember this, when positive and negative are there, they will be subtracted. When positive and negative are there, they will be subtracted. Subtracted means 56 minus 5, it will be 51. and sign will be of the greater one. Which one is greater, 5 or 56? 56 is greater. What is the sign? Minus. So write here minus. Remember this. Positive and negative will be subtracted and the sign will be of the greater one. Okay, this and rest, what is left there? These two we have done. So rest is what is left there? Minus 7 and minus 2. Now look here, again two positive integers you will take. Means one time you have to take two positive integers. Every time we are taking two positive integers. Okay, so here also now 51 minus 7, but both are negative. So when both the integers are negative, remember this, when both the integers are negative, so they are going to be added. Remember this, when both the integers are negative, then they are going to be added. Okay, so 51 plus 7 will be 58. And what will be the sign? When both the integers are negative, they are going to be added and the sign will be of negative. The sign will be negative sign. Are you getting this? Yes. When both the integers are negative, they are going to be added and the sign will be negative. Okay. So this we have done here. Now next one is minus 2. Now again both are negative. Again add it and sign is again of negative sign. So 58 plus 2, it will be 60. So this is how we will solve this sort of question. Okay, getting now? Note it. One more question I am telling you. Minus 6 plus 8 minus 7 multiply minus 5 plus 8 divided by minus 2. This again you have to do. Now see, same sequence is, first you will divide, then multiply, then you will add, then you will subtract. So first you will divide. Division is here. Rest of the question you will write as it is. Minus 6 plus 8 minus 7 multiply minus 5 plus. Now look here. I am not writing plus here because numerator is 8 and denominator is minus 2. So when numerator is positive, denominator is negative, sign will be of the negative 1. So 2 4 ja 8. Answer will be minus 4. This operation we have done. Okay. Now the next operation is of multiplication. Multiplication is here. Okay. So now write it. Minus 6 multiply 8. 7 5 ja, it will be 35. Now what will be the sign here? Now look here. Both are negative. 7 is also negative integer. 5 is also negative integer. Yesterday I have told you, if both the integers are negative, sign will become positive. 7 5 ja 35. What is left now? Minus 4. This operation we have done. One time you have to take two positive integers. Okay. Rest we have to write as it is. Okay. Now, sorry, this is plus here. Okay. So yeah, this is plus here. Okay. Now how will you solve? Again look here. Negative and positive, minus plus are going to be when there is one negative integer and one positive integer, they will be subtracted. Minus plus will be subtracted. Sign will be of the greater one. Here I have told you, negative and positive. When one is negative integer, another one is positive integer, they are going to be subtracted. Sign will be of the greater one. Same one here also. Negative integer, positive integer, they are going to be subtracted. 8 minus 6, that is 2. Sign will be of the greater one. Greater is 8. Sign is plus. It is plus. No need to write here. Plus. Okay. This operation we have completed. Rest as it is. 35 minus 4. Now look here. 2 plus 35, 37. All are knowing this. 37. And what is left? Minus 4. Now again. 37 minus 4. That is 33. So this will be the answer. So this is how we will solve this sort of question related to the Demas rule. The Demas rule is going to be applied here. Okay. Hope you are knowing this now, because multiplication and addition, how to multiply and how to divide, yesterday I have told you in the previous video. For if you are not knowing again this, so watch this previous video again, part 1. Mathematics for class 7th, chapter 1, integers, part 1. This you have to go through again if you are not knowing how to multiply and how to divide the integers. Addition and subtraction you must be knowing in the previous classes. Previously you have been taught this. Okay, so this is how you will solve these questions. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Keep watching, just note it down.